Hey Day family, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about making some flaming hot wings. And as you can see, I already have the ingredients out. We have the flaming hot Cheeto puffs. We're going to use these instead of the original flaming hots. We're going to use these because they're better to crush up. And I don't think I will be using a blender. I'm just going to use probably a bag, or probably just put them in a bowl to crush them up with a spoon or fork or something. But yeah, we're going to use chicken breast instead of wings. We got chicken breast, a bag of chicken breast. We're going to use accent seasoning, Lori's seasoning salt, black pepper, cayenne pepper to make it a little more spicier, and some onion powder. And the eggs are for the coat. You're going to see in the video what I'm going to be doing. And then I have a pan too as well to lay the, once I season it and put all the batter and stuff on it, I'm going to lay them on here so you can see all that in the video. And then we have our grease in the pot right now cooking. So you guys stay tuned for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you're new to this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also smash that bell for post notifications. Thank you so much, and stay tuned. Okay, you guys, as you can see, I already have the chicken in the bowl. I already rinsed it really good, and it's nice and so clean. And I forgot to add the flour. I'm going to use the flour too as well before I put it in the chips. So basically, I'm going to be showing you guys how I crunch up the chips and how I batter it, and you know, so on and so on. Alright, you guys, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to season the chicken with some Lori's seasoning salt. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on there. I'm not going to put too much because I already have seasoning in the chips. So just a little bit of seasoning salt. I'm going to use a little bit of accent for the extra flavoring. I love accent on all my food, like majority of my food, especially meat. So just a little bit of that. I'm going to use some cayenne pepper to make it a little more spicier. I'm not going to put too much. I don't want it to be too hot. Okay, that's enough. Got some black pepper. Going to sprinkle that a little bit in there. Season it to your liking. It's to my liking now, so whatever you like, that's how you season. So that's enough. And then we're going to go in with the onion powder. That's the last seasoning I'm going to put in there. So some onion powder. We got to open this up. I love onion powder, especially when it's frying. You have the food frying. Oh my God, it smells so good, y'all. It smells delicious. The smell of onions cooking. Okay, we're going to sprinkle just a little bit. I think that was a lot, but excuse me. Here we go. Use that. Gonna mix them up just a little bit. Well, a lot. Make sure the seasoning is on all of the chicken. Okay. So now this is seasoned. So I'm gonna go ahead, wash my hands. Okay, now I'm going to take this fork. I'm going to crunch these chips up. So you guys see how I crunch the chips up. I should have used the bag because I think that's more easier. Yeah, I think a bag. I'm going to use the spoon. Instead of blender work better, maybe I should have used the blender, y'all. This is my first time making it, but I know it's going to be a success. It's easy. Okay guys, now so I'm going to be going into, I had already whipped up the eggs, so the grease is still going. Now I'm about to put this, I'm going to still put it in the flour. I saw another technique. This is my first time making it, you guys, so we're going to see how this turns out. Okay, we're going to take the chicken, we're going to dip it real good in the egg. Take that fork out. dip it in the egg. Okay, let that come out. Ooh. Okay, we're going to dip it in the flour. You're going to dip it back in the egg. Take it out again. Not too much. Dip it in the flour again. I want it to be nice and crunchy, y'all. Nice and crunchy. So, it should be good. I'm banking on it. I know it's going to be good because the seasoning is good. Then we're going to shake it. Shake, 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 shake. I'm going to put it in the hot Cheetos. Ugh, I'm doing it so messy. It's going to be so messy. Got to do it with the other hand. Okay, I'm going to take this hand. I'm going to cover it with the Cheeto. I don't know how that's going to work. I think I did it backwards. Okay, I'm going to dip it back in the egg. I'm going to try this again. I'm going to dip it in the egg. Take it out. Dip it in the Cheetos. It looks better now. Dip it, dip it, dip it, dip it. Okay. Get it nice and covered. Nice and covered. Then we're going to shake it. Shake all the excess off, and we're going to set it here until I get all of them done. So then we go back again. Flour. I should do egg first. I'm doing it backwards, but it's okay. See, it's going to turn out the same. Dip it in the egg. Pull it back out. It's the process. Okay, back in the flour. Okay, one more time. The egg, one more time. Dip that one more good old time like that. Then take it out. Set it in here. Let me rinse some of this stuff off my hands. This is a lot. Okay, so I'm going to take the chips. Just add it on, add it on. Same routine. You guys see, you get them all battered. Okay, I'm going to shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I'm going to set it here. These are some big chickens. Let's see how this goes. Okay, now that we have them all nice and layered, and battered, we're going to stick them in the grease and see how this goes. Go with this one first. Okay, hope the batter stays on. This is my first time, you guys. We're going to see. I'll just let those two cook first and then put the other ones in. We're going to see how this turns out. Yeah, it's starting to look lovely already. Okay, guys. I'm going to go ahead and flip it. See how red they look? Yummy. And the batter is sticking just like I want it. Okay, we're going to let these cook out, and I'll show you the finished product in just a sec. I still have these to cook, so once I cook these, I will show you guys the finished product. Okay, guys, this is the end process. I got some nacho cheese with some mozzarella. I mean, not mozzarella, sharp cheddar cheese mixed in it. And some ranch sauce. And of course, we're going to have some hot sauce with it. Don't it look delicious? Yummy. This is the frying method of the Flamin' Hot Cheetos chicken. These are chicken breasts, but we're going to do, next time I'm going to try the other method, which is in baking it. So next we're going to bake it. You guys stay tuned.